Mrs. K lost 48 pounds over 8 months. She lost the same amount of weight each month. Write an integer that represents the change in Mrs. K's weight each month. We have given that she lost 48 pounds because she lost, so we can write negative sign before 48 over 8 months we have given, and she lost the same amount of weight each month because each month she lost the same amount of weight, so we will divide this number by 8. And when we divide by 8, we will have the number which represents the change in Mrs. K's weight each month. So this is equal. We have division of two numbers. One is negative, one positive. When we divide negative number by positive or positive by negative, it's like for multiplication. When one of the numbers is negative, which we divide, or one of the numbers we multiply is negative, the answer is negative. So the answer will be negative, and we have 48 divided by 8. Negative sign we copy. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Because we have negative number, negative 6, it means that she lost 6 pounds each month. This is my solution.